Republic of Congo and the opportunity to resolve that conflict. During that meeting with President Museveni in State House on 10th March, it was agreed that a meeting of all African speakers be held in Kampala in the month of July from 19th to 20th to discuss and explore a mechanism and opportunities available to resolve the conflicts in DRC and also other African continents, other African countries like South Sudan, Sudan, Central Africa, among others. The Forum for Parliament on International Conference of Great Lakes, ICGLR, collaborated with the Conference of African Speakers and Presidents of Legislatures. The Conference of African Speakers brings in all Africans, the speakers of African Parliament and presidents of African legislatures. That constitutes the 54 countries of Africa. So the conference is being co-organized by ICGLR, FP, and COSPAL. The chairperson of COSPAL, that is the Speaker of Ghana, and the vice chairpersons are the Speaker of Uganda, the Speaker of DRC, the Speaker of Morocco, the Speaker of South Africa, among others. So the conference that is scheduled to take place on the 19th and the 20th will bring in all the 54 speakers of Africa, will be opened by President Museveni on day 1, that is on the 19th. On day 2, we expect President William Ruto, the chairperson of East African Community and chairperson of African Union Institutional Reform, to address the conference. The conference theme is elevating voice of resolve. The conference theme is voice of resolve, elevating the voice of speakers and presidents of African legislatures. The question of DRC has engulfed several African countries, and therefore it's not an issue of Uganda, the issue of Rwanda. It is an issue of African people. The stability and the peace on DRC will lead to industries and manufacturers in Uganda to sell their products and therefore employ the people of Salama, Busabala, and other parts of Uganda. Mukwano is one of the leading exporters of soap, cooking oil, and other plastic materials to DRC and South Sudan. When we have peace in DRC and South Sudan, the factory employs more people, pays more tax. And therefore, the people of Salam, the people of Tororo, directly and indirectly benefit. But if there is war in DRC, there is no consumption of industrial products from Uganda.